Hello and welcome to Quickstep for Beginners Lesson 1. Today we will learn quarter turn to right and progressive chasse. And let's meet our demonstrators, Robert and Katrina.
Hi, we are excited to show these dance steps for you.
And we hope you will enjoy this lesson.
And we start with basic steps. Man starts quarter turn to right with right foot forward, then side, close, side, then with right foot back and side, close, side. And now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, step back, then side, close, side, with left foot step forward and side, close, side. And now we will add slight turn. Man starts with right foot forward, slight turn, side, close, side, and again right foot back and side, close, side with slight turn. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back and side, close, side, and forward and side, close, side. And now let's dance our basic steps in closed, hold, body contact, and slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow, quick, quick, slow. And from opposite direction we take close hold and slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow, quick, quick, slow. Now let's take a look on footwork. Man starts with right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe, 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 heel. Let's look again at footwork. Heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe, 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 heel. Now ladies footwork. Toe, heel, toe, 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 heel, heel, toe, 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 heel. From opposite direction, toe, heel, toe, 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 heel, heel, toe, 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 heel. Next step after progressive chasse. So we dance with right foot back, side, close, side, and next step goes outside partner. This is correct version. Between partner's feet is not correct version, and again correct version is outside partner. Now from opposite angle, lady dances progressive chasse with left foot forward, side, close, side, and allows man to go outside. Man goes outside. If man goes between lady's feet is wrong version, and again correct version outside lady. And now let's learn preparation step. We start with feet apart. Man closes left foot and goes forward in preparation step. Now let's look from opposite direction, and lady collects a right foot and goes with right foot back. And again let's look at preparation step. We take close hold, body contact, we collect free foot and man steps forward. And again we look at preparation step. Lady collects free right foot and steps with right foot back. Now let's put all together into routine. So we start with preparation step, then quarter turn to right, progressive chasse, and we continue outside partner into quarter turn to right, then progressive chasse, quarter turn to right, and progressive chasse. And again, same routine, this time with teaching count. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow. Quick, quick, slow. 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 And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators, Roberts and Katrina, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn personally from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next dance videos.